Alright everybody, we are here at Five Treasure Explosions. We got the gold door on 588 bet. I'm so excited to be here! Lightning link, y'all. Magic Pearl. Back at it again. Ooh, look at that. $78 hit. Oh, another retrigger. right, this is a big win, y'all. Big win. Wow, look at that comeback, y'all. Thank you.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about. God. That's what I'm talking about.
All right, y'all. We in the bonus and max bet. We're gonna do 10 just to be safe. We just need good luck fortune to come across the screen. All right, we need some re-triggers, some magic. Oh, we almost got re-triggers. Come on, we need some big money. Oh no, come on. Come on, good luck. We need some good luck. Oh my gosh, you got a re-trigger and 10 free spins on top of that. $328 win with a re-trigger. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Man, on max bet. We need good luck right now. You re-trigger again. Oh my goodness. Oh, 160. Come on. Thank you, man. Thank you. You had it too, though. You was doing pretty good. Oh. Come on, black screen. Come on, good luck. Come on, good luck as a ride. One more. All right, I'll take that. That was a good bonus, everybody. All right. Hey, 288. Oh, that was excellent line hit. Look at that. Hey, make sure you like and subscribe. Hey, 288, y'all.
Money. He got money. Get it off.
All right, let's see what we get, y'all. We got the feature to come down. Got the mini. Alrighty, on to the next one. $48 hit. Yes. Ooh, and we got the dragons to line up too. Here we go. $38 bonus. Come on, luck. Come on, good luck. $74 bonus hit. Everybody, we finally got the gold door on max bet. I've been fighting all night to get this. Let's do it big, y'all. Let's do it big. I'm so scared, I don't know what to do. Let's go for the dragon and see if it'll help me out. Let's do it. Let's do this. Come on, dragon. We just need one huge payoff. All right, 75. I'm trying to hit something real big. I'm so scared to even pick the dragons. Oh no, that's not good, that's not good. Oh, that's not good, that's not good. Come on, dragons. Oh, not good. Come on, dragons. Okay, it's not good. It's not gonna pay. Oh man, it did me dirty. I knew I should have picked the middle one. Right. All right, I tried, y'all. I tried. All right, everybody. We are here at 5 Treasure Explosions. We got the gold door on 588 bet. All right, we want something big. We're gonna go for the Tigers this time, just to be safe. Come on, pay us, don't play us, Hey. All right, $36 hit. We want something big. Something big. All right, $72 hit. Not too bad. It'd be nice if we get a re-trigger. Ooh, $108 line hit. Let's keep going. Oh, we missed it. All right, that was a $36 hit. Come on, we want something big. All right, another 108. Let's get something over $200. Oh, that's the last. That was the last spin. Hey, can't complain. That's a $400 and 3. Nice big win. Make sure you like and subscribe, y'all. Appreciate the love and support. We are growing. On to the next. All right, come on, jackpot upgrade. All right, we got the mini. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, WhatItIsEric, and I appreciate you watching my video right now. But the fun does not stop here. Right after this video, make sure you go check out many more videos on my channel. We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers. That is our ultimate goal on this channel. So make sure you tell your friends, your family members, and even your neighbors. We want everybody to know about this channel. We are constantly growing one day at a time, and I appreciate you all for your support. And remember, positive vibes only.